Last question, rate. Okay, at 2 p.m., tap A was turned on. Water flow from tank into by tap A at a rate of 4.2 liters. Usually, my suggestion is write into the diagram. If you want if water flow into the tank means it's adding, right? Put a plus so that you know. And then after 5 minutes, tap B was turned on. But the problem here is, okay, tap B was turned on to remove water from it, right? So you see, they say that it's empty tank. Okay, so 2 p.m., water flow in. After 5 minutes, at 2:05, tap B was turned on. At 2:15, tank was half filled. So there are a few things that you can work on, even though you may not know how to do the question. So can I have answers before I continue? Okay, I have answers ready. Good. Okay, 4.65 liters is correct. So first thing, even if you do not know how to do, right, you read the question, you find part by part. So tank is half filled with water. Half filled means, okay, I can find the volume of water by taking half times 55 times breadth times height. It will give me 16,500. That's the volume of water in the tank at 2:15. Remember, very important, let's work out the time, okay, line and see what's happening. From 2 p.m. to 2:15 p.m., tap A filled in water for 15 minutes. This is tap A. Tap B, okay, 5 minutes later, tap B was turned on. That means tap B only was turned on for 10 minutes. This is important because the amount of time taken, okay, allow us to find out something. So this is A. Okay, what do we do next? What do we do next? Number one, you know that, okay, tap A fills for 15 minutes. Then you will be able to find out the amount of water that actually fills the tank in 15 minutes. So we will find out, okay, water from tap A. Water from tap A, I'm going to write it here, got no space. 15 times 4.2 liters, which will give us 63 liters. But the problem here is, it's very important, okay, why? Sometimes, if you do not know, if you do not change the units to something common, then you may do the wrong thing. And it's very common to see this in students' scripts. So these are all in, this is in cubic centimeters. Okay, the question asks for liters. So it depends on you whether you are comfortable with working with liters or cubic centimeters. For me, because they want us to find out liters at the end, right? What I will do is, instead of changing to cubic centimeters, the numbers will be very big, right? So what I will do, I will change 16,000, okay, cubic centimeters. I'll change it to 16.5 liters to make it a number that is more friendly. So now I know that water from tap A, okay, this is water from tap A. Okay, fills in 63 liters. However, how come at 15 minutes, right, the amount of water is only 16.5 liters? What happened? Because tap B turned on and remove water from the tank. So how much water is being removed? So this is tap A. So what I'm going to do, okay, give me a minute. Now that we already read the question, I'm going to move it downwards so like more space. So now, what can I do? I can find out the water that flows out from tap B. Out. 63 minus 16.5 liters, that will give us 46.5 liters. Okay, I need people to tell me, this 46.5 liters, right? How many minutes did it take tap B to remove 46.5 liters? Please type in the chat now. How many minutes did it remove this amount of water? 10. Good. So 1 minute, okay, this is removing water at 10 minutes. So 1 minute will be 46.5 divided by 10. You get 4.65. So that is how you guys, okay, manage to get the liters of water flow outside in 1 minute. Make sure it's in the correct unit. Sorry, paper 2, they are not so nice. They will not write the units for you. So if you do not write the correct units, you lose marks, okay? Now, one last thing. At 2:30, what fraction of the tank was filled with water? This question is only 2 marks, so it should be easier than the first question, right? How? So I need volume of water, okay, at 2:30 p.m. I need the tank's volume. Then I'll be able to get my question B. So number 1, how can I find the volume of water at 2:30 p.m.? Remember, every 15 minutes, A will fill 63 liters, correct? And so now, okay, at 2:30, okay, we can find out, okay, so if you want, you can find the 30 minutes duration for tab A. So tab A will fill in, we found out that it's 63 liters, right? Times 2. Okay, I will not put in units to confuse you, so we just leave the units out. So 126 liters for tab A, 30 minutes. Then after that, tab B would have flow for 20 minutes. So you can, okay, subtract from 20 minutes. So what do we know about tab B? 4.65 liters for 1 minute. 20 minutes, okay. Even for 10 minutes, we already also know what is it in 20 minutes. Okay, sorry, not 20 minutes, 25. My apology, right, wrongly. Okay, so 25, it will give us, okay, 4.65 times 25, it will give me 116.25. So, what is the amount of water left in the tank at 2:30? It will be 126 minus 116.25. That will give us 9.75. So we are done. We found it already. So 9.75 out of the tank. Remember, tank is 16.5. That's half, right? You need to times 2. So when you times 2, you put into your calculator. Okay, don't forget this is a paper 2, so you can work complex numbers with your calculator and then still get the answer very quickly. So it's 13 out of 4. This is for part B. Okay, those who got 30 out of 44, very good. Okay, same 30 out of 44. Okay, so any questions so far? Any other questions? Yeah, wait. Okay. Some of you already say good night. Okay. If you have no questions, okay, you can log off. But if you have questions, you can stay and ask me. Okay. So those who have, oh no, I forgot to turn on my cam. Okay. So those who have questions, you can stay and ask me. If not, then good night. Please remember to take pictures of the questions that you have done. Okay. If you're doing after I go through, okay, after whatever that I went through, right, please use another color. Okay, bye everybody. Trisha, you got a question, right? Okay, you can stay and ask. The rest, if you need to go, please go. Yeah, what's your question?
Hello. Can I suggest like next time we do like paper 2 earlier?
Earlier, right? Then paper 1. Okay, I will let Mr. Wong know. Maybe we can change the format because paper 2 needs more attention. I think by 9 o'clock, you're already lose the attention. Okay, thank you for the suggestion. I will let Mr. Wong know as well. Maybe we will start paper 2 first.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, no problem, Noah. Have a good night. A lot of math for you today. 5 hours. So, okay, you can go and rest after today. Okay, but make sure that you note down all the mistakes that you have and make sure you go and revert them. Okay, can and correct them. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, Joan. See you. Good night. Okay, thanks, Yeshe. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.